Hello friends, this is Colonel Ajay Com and first global astrofinance digital channel Ajay Astro Money Guru. Today 30th of September year 2020 we shall be discussing about the astrotechnical research on US market. Friends, we have already updated our research on European as well as Asian stock market. Today, we are going to discuss what Planet says about US market, stocks and the commodities. First of all, let us see what are the planetical conditions of today. Today, Sun, it is in Virgo zodiac sign, while Venus in Libra sign. Jupiter is in Sagittarius, while Saturn it is in Capricorn. Mars it is with the Aries zodiac sign under retrogression. Rahu it is in Taurus, while Ketu opposite to it in Scorpio zodiac sign. Moon would be in Aquarius zodiac sign. As for the financial astrology, figure 30 is represented by figure 3, while the September month, it is the 9th month of the calendar year. So therefore, it is representing figure 9, and year 2020, it is representing figure 4. So figure 3, it is being allotted to the Jupiter, while figure 9, it is allotted to the Mars, and figure 4, it is allotted to Rahu. Therefore, the combination of Jupiter, Mars and the Rahu are expected in US market. Jupiter, it is a significator of banks, significator of wisdom, significator of knowledge. Therefore, today we are expecting a big movement in financial and knowledge-based stocks. And Mars, power of energy, power of velour, power of metals. So we have to keep under observation with the stocks related to the Mars also. So let us see what are the expectations. As per the financial astrology is concerned, we are expecting today financial sectors stocks likely to see profit booking in US market. One can consider financial stocks ETF also. It is triple Q. This can also be considered. Bank of America is one of the stock which has shown weakness yesterday also as per our advance alert. Today, still we are not very confident in the Bank of America. It may also be under profit booking. Metal stocks, FCX, it is also looking weak today. So metal stocks may come under profit booking. ArcelorMittal, this is the stock which we have discussed in previous show also. Today we are expecting this stock may also see. Automobile sector, banking sector, financial service sector likely to see downward movement or profit booking. Friends, gold has seen wonderful movement previous two trading session. This has just gone up by around 1904 US dollar per troy ounce. We are expecting profit booking in gold also. It may touch $1,875. It may touch $1,860 also. a very fair chances to going down or a profit booking in the gold. But as far as the whenever we talk about the labels, so we need to talk upper labels also. As far as the gold upper levels are concerned, the gold may cross US dollar 1920 next one or two trading session. Friends, this particular research is being shared for the education purpose for the investor who love financial astrology, research scholars who have put their effort on financial astrology and market. Please go through our disclaimers also. You can contact us for our paid services for the astro research on the stocks, commodity, and the currencies. Friends, please do suggest your comments and the suggestion about this show. We shall be bringing regularly for the US market updates, European market updates, Asian market update, as well as Indian stocks and the commodities. All the very best. Good luck. Happy trading.